Good evening. I welcome you to this new episode of 4C Law Partners. Here I am going to talk about a very important subject pertaining to your hard-earned money, pertaining to your wealth, pertaining to your real estate. But this video is not for people who love their family. This video is for people who love the nation, who love this society. The family comes later. So my dear friends, I welcome you in the English episode of 4C Law Partners, where I am going to talk about the people, the great people of the nation who loves society, who believes in big cows, not the people who are sectarian in approach and just love their wife, their kids, lovely kids. Okay, let's see which category you fall. The one, the great one, sagacious one, the kind one, the big-hearted one, or the one with love to the family. I hope you would love to belong to the first category of the people loving the nation. So yes, I here welcome all the people who believe in the cause of the nation over and above their own wife, their own kids. So my dear friends, in one of my video, why, I will just take your seconds, why this video in English? Because some of you approached me, commented in my previous videos that, sir, your videos are being watched all over the India. Videos are being watched across the nation. I got a message from Ghana yesterday. People are watching it in Dubai. People are watching it in Muscat. I don't know what all places. So they said, sir, these topics are important and why don't you make a video in English? So here on your command. But this video is not for people who loves law. This video is not about people who believes in system. This video is about the magnanimous people who believes that the entire global world is a small village and they do not belong to their family. Rather, they belong to big global world. So this video is them. So congratulations to such people who believe in such profound thought of the global society. Asmakam Brahmam. Asmakam, this entire village is a global, this entire world is a global village and I'm a tiny part of it. आपने सुना ही होगा. Asmakam Brahmam. मैं ही ब्रह्म हूँ और ब्रह्म ही यह संसार है. So anyhow, welcoming back to those friends of mine. So my submission in this case, which I am fighting or which I am representing, the sagacious people, the big-hearted people, the kind-hearted people who believes in the world cause, the national cause, the cause for the society, etc., etc. So I am today representing their cause vis-a-vis the people who believe in system, law, love for family. They believe if you don't love your wife, you can't love anyone. If you don't love your kid, you can't love anybody's kids. If you can't love yourself, you can't love anybody else. So against them I am pitted today. So the people who belong to the second category watched my video which was about writing a will on time so that they can leave a dignified succession plan and the property or the wealth earned by their hard work could be smoothly, speedily and in the easiest possible manner transferred to their wife, their kids. But these sagacious people says, what is this? What is this? We love nation, we love society. The property doesn't belong to my family. So what? If I have earned it, so what? I have taken it from the world. I want to give it back to the world. So these, my friends, say, what is a will? So these friends of mine say, what is a will? Why should I write a will? I'm totally bang on with you. Why should you write a will? No will. And my dear friends, if some of you got brainwashed by my previous video or some other lawyer who has asked you to write a will well on time, please tear it. Please tear your will. Why? Because one, you are big-hearted, you are sagacious. You want will lawyers to earn from your family. When you are not there, they are in trouble. Misfortune has hit them. How our family will survive? How the court will work? How the system will work? Everybody needs money. From where the money will come? If there is no legislation, no money will come. So if you take so much care of everybody around you, kudos to you. Shalom sanab. Pranam hai aapko. So, my first love to these set of people who makes us earn, who chokes the system with the cases, because today the Indian court, 67% of cases, property cases, real estate case is pertaining to property dispute among blood relatives, brothers and sisters, just because there was no will. So, these people are the great people, so don't write a will. Now what, and you see, you must be wondering, oh, this video is not for me. I have written the will. Huh? Or I believe in system. I will write my will. Yes. But actually, we Indians, speaking as a whole, are the big-hearted people, are the kind-hearted people. Why? Because 89% of Indians fall in this category of big-hearted, not writing the will, not being bothered what is going to happen to them or their family or to their property or their wealth after death. When it's death, I'm not there. Why should I care? I lived my life, finish. I worked hard, so what? The property doesn't belong to me only or my family. It's for everybody. Let there be open loot or a distribution, whatsoever it is. I don't care. So this is the 89% of the Indian population. Now what happens? Out of rest, those who have written will, my suggestion to them is tear it. Tear it down right now while listening this video and put it in your comment that yes, Mr. Advocate, I have completely in agreement with your teachings or your sayings or your advice, and I'm here tearing down my will. Yeah, because it is of no use. So this set of people, it's better of no use. They are the smartest people. Why to take this pain? Because anyhow, the will which you are having is of no use. It is not going to serve any purpose. In my previous video, the description is given here. The link of that previous video is given here, though it is in Hindi. But you can always reach out to me and ask me. There is a way, there are some systems which is to be followed. There has to be a successor, there has to be a health certificate, there has to be the details of property, which is not there in that will. So anyhow, it is not going to serve the purpose. So there is no point in having the will. And what maximum will happen? My wife will be driven out of the home, which I have taken on the loan. Still she has to pay the EMI. No problem. What will happen? She has to run around the court 5 years, 7 years, 10 years. Has huge expenses. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I've earned enough. What else? Insurance will fall in wrong hand. All the liability of tax will come on her and my kids, despite they not getting a single penny from my hard-earned money. I don't care. Because I belong to that rich tradition of Indian sages, that Rishi Durvasa, or that Rishi which donated even his entire bone and marrow and what not for the society. So I belong to that category. I love you. My salute to you. So, Advocate Dr. Ajay Kummar Pandey, practicing at Supreme Court of India, hereby advise you, be that 89% of Indians who do not write their will, or be that 26% of Indian whose will is of no use, let the battle fought in the court. See you. Of course, I can't see you. The will comes into effect after your death. So see your family, your loving kid, your loving wife in the court. Till that time, goodbye. Meet you in another episode with another such realistic, practical, legal knowledge. If you think it is of your use, it is benefiting you, do subscribe my channel for Law Partners and also press the bell icon button so that you keep on getting the latest notification of my video on one such burning legal topic. Till that time, goodbye, good night.